we meet again, and we've been meeting regularly during this lockdown. So that's obvious. You've been doing a lot of work over the lockdown.
Thank God, thankfully, yeah.
So
Thank you.
wish list of sorts has come through during the lockdown. You've had enough ample projects. You've been working
Yes.
up the clock. But वैसे अब कौन सी wish list है?
अब फिलहाल ये विश है कि मेरी जो फिल्म विश लिस्ट है वो बहुत अच्छा करे, और जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि 11 दिसंबर को विश लिस्ट रिलीज हो रही है एमएक्स प्लेयर पे, एंड आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड एंड आई रियली वांट यू ऑल टू लव द फिल्म. इट्स अ वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल कॉन्सेप्ट अबाउट लाइफ एंड अबाउट हाउ वी टेक लाइफ फॉर ग्रांटेड एंड just concentrate on working hard and saving money. But हम ये भूल जाते हैं कि जिंदगी का, लाइफ का सबसे बड़ा सच मौत है, और वो कभी भी आ सकती है. एंड वी रियली द ब्रेक्स वी डिजर्व, वी डोंट टेक देम, दोस ब्रेक्स. एंड ऑल आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज कि आई थिंक बीच बीच में वी शुड टेक दोस ब्रेक्स, एंड we don't do that. This film is about this couple who live in Mumbai and they are from a middle class background, working employees है अलग अलग कंपनी में, बहुत हार्ड वर्क करते हैं, and one fine day उनको उनके लाइफ में कुछ ऐसी ट्रेजेडी होती है, कुछ ऐसा पता चलता है डिजास्ट्रस, दैट दे डिसाइड अब नहीं तो कब. सो आई थिंक इट्स हाई टाइम कि मैं मेरे दर्शकों को ये बताऊं कि खुशी खुशी मरते कैसे हैं.
So did you resonate with Shalini at any point? Did you really?
Absolutely. As I mentioned, that it's come to a right person. This film, the script has come to a right person. I completely believe in this fact that we deserve breaks in between, and we deserve to go out. By out, I do not mean Europe. By out, I mean anything. Any outing is important. Spending time with your family, taking them out. Even to Panchgani is important. As long as you're together, making memories, spending those beautiful moments together, it is very important, which we don't do. We just are busy prioritizing our work and only work.
अभी जब भी आपका नाम लिया जाता है ना, तो ट्विटर पे आपके फैंस इतने सारे सवाल भेजते हैं. एंड
क्या सवाल भेजे हैं?
बहुत सारे आए हैं. पहले तो सायश्री प्रियदर्शनी ने ये पूछा है, which is that one quote in life that motivates you?
Never give up. Never give up. And one more is that I don't believe in miracles. I believe in hard work.
Wow, that's actually interesting. और अब मुझे चश्मा भी पहनना पड़ेगा अपना. तो एक है शाज़मा ने ये पूछा है, आपके और क्या प्लान्स हैं बड़े पर्दे के लिए?
बड़े पर्दे के लिए आप फिलहाल अभी of course we are having very few releases in theaters, although it has started. But I think abhi bhi the market, that entire shift is towards the digital more, which is why I think all the big budget and big movies are still releasing on digital, because that has a better viewership, and which is why we chose MX, because MX has a very vast viewership. And सेकेंडली मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इस फिल्म के अलावा मेरी एक और फिल्म है जो इसके बाद आने वाली है. मेरा बी प्राक का गाना आने वाला है, और मेरी एक और फिल्म है जो बहुत स्पेशल है मेरे लिए, कंट्री ऑफ ब्लाइंड, विच इज शॉट इन 2 languages, हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश. सो वी रियली वांट दैट फिल्म टू गो टू फेस्टिवल्स, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली इवन दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल बिकॉज ऑफ द पेंडेमिक. सो आई एम praying that, because we really know that that film has a scope to go to all big film festivals, but it's unfortunate, which is why we're not putting it out, because we wanted to take the rounds of festivals. So I have those projects in my kitty. And then there are talks on 2020 has been very, very kind to me in terms of work. I had many releases, and I'm ending this year with another release. And now in 2021, I'm looking forward to do big projects, better projects. By big projects, I think my definition is a little different. I would rather choose a better content than something with just the name and everything, and the content is not that great. So I think आज के वक्त में लोग इतने समझदार हो गए हैं कि उनको कंटेंट अच्छा लगता है, स्क्रिप्ट अच्छी लगती है, तब वो एक फिल्म देखते हैं. मैं ऐसा काम करना चाहूंगी 2021 में.
But I mean, you also have lived that now at the peak of your shows. You've decided to like, now it's not working out for me. You've gone on to do something that anybody else would say is a risk. But are you the kind of person who thrives on a risk?
Yeah. I mean, people who know me, people who know my journey, they know that I've only taken risks. So much money, and I mean, you're so secure in television. For like next 3-4 years, you don't really have to worry. You have money coming in every year in your bank account. And good amount of money you have in television, but and touch wood, I am in that position in my career that I can I get what I want, touch wood. But I still don't want to do that. As I mentioned, that I want to maintain that balance and I want to take a break from television, because as I said, films में जितने subtle way में आप इतने बड़े बड़े dialogue बोल जाते हैं, वो जो subtle performances हैं, वो आप television के साथ, मैं एटलीस्ट अभी उस स्टेज में नहीं हूँ. आई नो देयर आर एक्टर्स जो टेलीविजन पे बिल्कुल अलग परफॉर्म करते हैं, ऐसे कई एक्टर्स हैं, और फिल्म्स में बिल्कुल सटल परफॉर्म करते हैं, दोनों चीजें बैलेंस करते हैं. बट वो अभी मैंने नहीं सीखा है. सो आई वुड लाइक टू स्टिक टू वन मीडियम एट अ टाइम. सो मैं टेलीविजन से इसीलिए मैंने ब्रेक लिया है, सो दैट आई कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन फिल्म्स. एंड मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं वो चीज अपने अंदर लाऊं, इनकलकेट करूं कि मुझे इस तरह से परफॉर्म करना है, हमें सटल परफॉर्म करना है, बिकॉज आई कम फ्रॉम अ बैकग्राउंड वेयर ओनली ओवर द टॉप परफॉर्मेंसेस मैटर. And that's what the demand is of television. That's the kind of viewership television has. So that is not the demand here in films. So I want to maintain that balance.
तो इसलिए जोहा ने यही पूछा है, आप अपने को कैसे पोजीशन करना चाहती हैं एक्टर इन द कमिंग इयर्स?
As I mentioned, that as I would like to take a break, and I've taken a break, and it is my conscious decision, and touch wood, it has helped me. As I mentioned, that I've had so many releases, people have appreciated my work. I am nominated for OTT Filmfare. It is a very big, and not for one but for 2 projects as a best actor. So whether I win it or not, I am nominated in Filmfare, for me is an achievement, and I'm nominated with all big names. So for me, it's an achievement, which means 2020 मेरे लिए fruitful था work wise. So मैं इस तरह का काम और करना चाहूंगी.
जी. तो एक और ने पूछा कि इतना सक्सेसफुल करियर, कभी ऐसा वक्त था कहाँ आप कभी रिजेक्ट हुई हो किसी रोल के लिए, एंड हाउ डिड यू डील विद इट?
Not really. Not really.
I knew that answer. And स्नेहा ने पूछा है, आप अपनी सिंगिंग पे क्यों नहीं फोकस करती हैं, क्यों नहीं गाती?
कहाँ फोकस करूं स्नेहा, कहाँ फोकस करूं? Everyone tells me that, but I can't do so many things. Yeah, I can't. I'm really sorry. I can't. I want to focus on, as I said, I am away from television because I want to focus on one thing. I can't focus on singing also and other things also. I don't have that much time. I have my own personal life. I have a lot of things. I want to perform. I want to sing, but honestly I don't have time. कभी-कभी थोड़ा अपने फैंस के लिए गा देती हूँ, पर उससे ज्यादा professionally वो चीज करना with that enthusiasm, I have that enthusiasm, but I have that for acting. So my priority is acting.
सिंगिंग वैसे 10 लोगों ने पूछा है, हिना, और अब बहुतों ने ये भी कहा है, ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है was re-telecasted. How did you feel? Because Akshara was back in everyone's life.
I know, and it rated #1 on that particular network, on that channel, which was fab. That the rerun of a show is #1 on. It rated as a #1 show of that channel. So it was a good news, and I remember I had 2 #1 shows on 2 different networks. Nagin, when I introduced Nagin, when I launched Nagin was a #1 show of Colors, and then Ye Rishta rerun was a #1 show on Star Utsav. So I had like 2 #1 shows on 2 different channels. It's really nice and overwhelming. I'm forever grateful to them. It's all because of them.
और 2 लोगों का ये सवाल है, पवित्रा का है कि why is it important for you to take a risk and as you inspire them all, and मधुरा ने पूछा है how have you overcome whatever fears you may have had?
Why is it important to take risks is because I don't want to regret. I hate that feeling. of regret that I didn't do it. I may fail or I may succeed. That's secondary. But I don't want to regret. I hate that feeling of regret. I don't want any regrets in my life. I would rather go for it all out, try it out and see how it works. And then even if it doesn't work, I am satisfied. I know when I look into the mirror, I know that, Hina, you tried.
Awesome. Hina, what is that one change you want to see in the film industry? Because you made that successful transition from TV to films as well. But as an actor, because there are lots of nice narratives now being written for women, and no longer is it like a heroine centric hai ya hero centric hai, wo badal raha hai. But as an actor who has made that shift, has been popular in that medium, has now embraced this, what is that one change you want to see in the years going forward?
But one change, I think change is happening. Change already ho raha hai. I see the shift that how it is not just about, hero, like proper hero based films. There are women centric subjects which are shot nowadays. People are appreciating such subjects. We have some amazing talents. If I talk about the actresses in Bollywood, amazing talents. I love Taapsee, I love Vidya Balan. They are amazing and आप उनकी फिल्में देखें, वो अकेले पूरी फिल्म को ड्राइव करती हैं और कितनी ब्यूटीफुली करती हैं. बट मैं साथ ही साथ ये भी कहूंगी कि एक अच्छा डायरेक्टर और एक अच्छा सब्जेक्ट होना उतना ही इम्पोर्टेंट है. अगर मुझे ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है जहां पर एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत सब्जेक्ट हो और मुझे एक बहुत ही टैलेंटेड डायरेक्टर के साथ काम करने को मिले, मैं टैलेंटेड डायरेक्टर बोल रही हूँ, तो मैं जरूर करना चाहूंगी.
So Hina, after playing an आदर्शवर्ती बहू, कमोलिका भी देख लिया, आपकी फिल्मों में भी देख लिया नेगेटिव शेड्स, ऐसा कौन सा रोल है जो आप करना चाहती हैं और ऐसा कौन सा रोल है आप कभी नहीं करोगी? बेसिकली एज एन एक्टर.
नहीं, आई डोंट हैव सच रिस्ट्रिक्शंस दैट ऐसा कुछ है जो मैं कभी नहीं करूंगी. मैं सब करूंगी अगर मुझे मौका मिले तो. एज एन एक्टर आई कांट रिस्ट्रिक्ट माई सेल्फ. आई एम नॉट दैट काइंड ऑफ एन एक्टर. आई वुड लाइक टू ट्राई एवरीथिंग, बट ऑफ कोर्स इट शुड एक्साइट मी. एंड ऐसा कौन सा है जो मैं करना चाहूंगी? आई वांट टू प्ले वंडर वुमन.
चलो इंशाल्लाह वो भी हो जाएगा.
टू मच टू आस्क फॉर, but one of the wishes. Yeah,
desi heroes ka super, I mean we can have a superhero universe in our desi context. Yeah, why not? wo to raha hai.
Let's see.
chalo jate jate aapki kya wish list hai ab?
So I think let's just focus on one very important factor ki wish list hum sabki, meri kya hum sabki yahi hai that we get rid of this COVID, we get rid of this virus. Let the world be virus free and we get to live our lives, normal lives. We get to travel. It's so much of hassle to travel these days. And I just want a life without fear. I step out, I have fear. I have only fear in my eyes, in my body language, because I know I have to come back home. I have a mother who's asthmatic. I have my parents. I want a fear-free world, a COVID-free world.
Thank you so much, Hina, and keep inspiring and keep being that, confidence speaks. When Hina works, I can see that confidence. And just keep
You've always encouraged me. Thank you.
Thank you so much. You inspire us all. Thank you, Hina, and looking forward to chatting up with you next for your next project.
Inshallah,
all the very best.
Inshallah.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Bye.